Okay, I got the wheel off the car. I've got it on my jack. I'm not underneath the car. I'm going to cheat. I should put a jack. Okay, I'm going to cheat and just leave it there. Don't follow my advice on that. Always put a jack stand on it, but I'm so experienced. I know better. Wow, these brakes are hot. Wasn't driving that fast. 2 13mm bolts. Where's bright light? Follow 1aauto.com Sue. She's a good mechanic, real good videos. She's slow and careful and smooth, doesn't break stuff. I'm gonna rush too fast on him, no patience. Fancy tripod. Heavy hammer. Ah, it's hot.
Where's your little sledgehammers at?
I just had it yesterday. I just used it. 50 cars.
Another sledgehammers.
Let me, should be heavy hammer right on here. Just used it last night. Ow, 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 busted my knuckle. Trying to rush too fast. Should probably collapse the caliper. Bottom. I'm gonna bust these brake pads. Drop. It's the easiest part of this job. Where's our big pry bar? Not very gentle, not break these pads. Nice. So on there. Big pry bar. Okay, I don't think I missed anything. I think. Do not like calipers hanging. I'm a pretty stickler. My guy's zip tying. That
ain't gonna do nothing, is it?
No. Where are all my pry bars? Like they're all missing. The yellow handled ones, the big red one, all of them. People just love those things. Okay, haven't broken the brake pads. Okay. Now these are pretty lighter, but I'm a stickler for hanging. I don't like them hanging. You won't find anything now, but later on these hoses will be broken internally. You can't see it, but your calipers will hang up for 3 or 4 seconds after you stop braking. So I'm a stickler on hanging these up so they don't hang in the hose. Usually I use a zip tie. As long as you can set it somewhere. Where's my snips go? What is this unplugged? Okay, there's a rotor. There's a stupid sensor.
That's the only one I'm finding.
That's the one I was looking for. That's the stupid ABS sensor I changed the other day. That was very hard, and now I got to do it again because idiot at the junkyard didn't unplug this wire snips. Blue handle snips. Red light.
Blue handle snips.
Cardboard.
Very white. All about.
I got one good. I put the good piece of cardboard in the back. You know what? Over in the other office is good cardboard. Grab 2 of them.
Up in the office?
Yeah, in the garage. Dang, I can't believe I did that. Hopefully it's not difficult. Okay. Alright, better off using my new, who knows? I hope this new sensor works. It's from Amazon. It was $20, so it must be a quality product. Let me do these. Lock tab. Done the lock tab. Hold the red lock tab back, and now I need to, okay. Press, pull, break your wire, because I'm pulling on it too hard. I can't seem to grab it. Oh, come on. It should be fresh. Ah! Woo! I'm straining that pretty good. I didn't break it. Okay, here's my new, where I got a 10. I got a 10 millimeter or 8. I can't see. Okay, I'm in a rush. I'm in a panicked rush to fix this car. 8 or 10. Let me see, 10. All my 10 walk out. Jeez. Imagine that. 10 millimeter wrenches are missing. I can't imagine that happening. I bet you I don't even have these 10 millimeter sockets. I went online on Amazon, I bought a pack of 6 and a pack of 4. I bought 10 extra 10 millimeter sockets. Just set them all over the place. Okay, I fixed the problem, right? Nope, they're all gone. So if I do everything myself, I'll keep a track, but what the heck is wrong with me? Ow, mother! Man, I smashed this finger good the other day. I cut it on the underside of a hood. I don't know why. Probably because I'm rushing. Probably because I'm in a panic rush. Get everything done in 5 minutes. Hardboard. 50 jobs to do. I should have went to school. Oh, I did go to school. 10 millimeter on this ABS sensor. All right, piece of cake, 10 millimeter. Take out, and now we're gonna see. I had to jam these ABS sensors in here. That's what I'm worried about now. And I had trouble. Getting these in here. Ow! Now loosen it up. Okay. Oh, gotta be careful not to hurt my hand here. Not a rush. Come on. Ah. This just shoves in, piece of cake. I had to file this down a little bit and then sand this hole out for like a half an hour. I didn't have a good tool to do it, but $20, $45 for I think a set of 4 ABS sensors for this car was a great buy off of Amazon. They worked. Okay, give me compressed air and we got a brake clean here. I need the DeWalt blower to blow the fumes away. Blower, compressed air. I got it wound up hard up high. Okay. You've all seen the TikTok video where I'm the owner. It's $5 a can. Just a little. Ow! Darn it, that hurts. Get it a little bit. Here's an employee. Air. Compressed air. Is it on? I don't think it's on. Oh shoot! You got to turn it on. I turned it off.
Okay.
Darn it! It's got to pump up. Trying to do that, get the fumes away. I don't like smelling that stuff. 18 millimeter. Power 18. my busted hands right now. It's hard to work. Okay. Earthquake 3/8 battery powered ratchet. I cannot work without this. I love this tool so much. They stopped making it. I've gone through 4 of them. I used to be able to warranty them each year. Just boom, they just give me a brand new one each year. And I think I shut that program down because, hey, I'm gonna take advantage and use that each year. But I can't work without this. This is the best. I've tried 4 of the styles. They suck. The 30. Watch the rating. 35 foot-pounds, 45, 55. This is rated at 75. It's the strongest. I love it. WD! WD! Weapons of mass destruction! You got an 18 ratcheting?
18-inch ratchet.
Ratcheting wrench?
No.
Give me a shorter socket.
17.
I mean 19. 19 will work.
19.
Give me a shorter socket. Got it.
Your bag maybe though.
Got a magnetic dish. I already lost a nut. Ah, magnet dish. I hate the grit. You gotta get rid of all the grit. Now where this fork neck going? It's in. It's gonna go far. Just had it. How's going on? What the hell? It's a fourth nut. I like using a magnet dish for one job. Where's that nut? Stuff under the... Can't be far, huh? Come on. Piece, I just saw it. I mean, literally, right from me. Save these, put them on the top of your can right after you use it, otherwise you'll break that top off. Where's the nut? You gotta be kidding me. Better find it. Oh, I'll put still the 3 nuts. It's gotta be in the socket. Where's the socket? Huh? No? Yeah. Okay. Got it? Alright. So now, let's see how we knock this axle on this one. I'm not gonna take that cover off. Primer! Big primer! So this one I don't mind damaging. We're coming, we're 16th of an inch out. Okay, this comes apart back here. So you gotta start coming away. This whole thing comes with it. The backing plate, the caliper bracket, everything. So these bolts, take the 4 nuts off, and it just pulls out. There's no C-clip in this differential. It's held down by these bolts. So I'm gonna try to keep it real clean. already got a shorter blowgun set up. Never mind. And I hate the compressor. Man, this is gonna be quick, I think. Ah! Wow, this fell out of this. Wow, this fell out of this. Greased up. I don't think that's supposed to fall out of there. Hey, where's that camera? Got that camera? You got rags? I'm gonna need a few junky ones. Now. I don't know if this axle just slid out of this bearing right here. The splines were showing now. I'm not sure if that's supposed to just fall out of there. I thought that was pressed on. Whatever, we're going to change the whole unit anyway, I think. Quite certain. But it's a press fit bearing. I'd have to watch the video again. Anyway, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Come in. Box of junk ones is in the other garage. Tip squid. Over there. I don't think that's supposed to come out of there. Now mine just pulled right out. It's a spline shaft. I don't see why it wouldn't come out, but I thought on the video I watched, these bearings are pressed into this. The bearings are pressed into the spindle. I don't see any reason why the shaft wouldn't slide in and out of there, but I don't know if I'm right or not. Well, it is what it is. It's fine. But it's just different from the 1A Auto video I thought I saw. So this bearing's fine. There's a little noise in my differential. It's a little bearing noise somewhere. This has been changed before. Note, I think it's 07, 08, 09, 010. Most all any rear axle stuff. A lot of it's bad because I think American Axle manufacturer over in Detroit went bankrupt, and the new guys bought it, and they fired all the guys that knew what they were doing. They got these rookies in that set these. You got to know what you're doing setting up differentials. I don't know what I'm doing. I let the pros do the setup on the differential, the backlash. Because there's a lot of failures. 07, 08, 09, 010. And I think they figured out what they were doing after that. 11, 12, I had some failures bad too. Chrysler, American Axle manufacturer, had some sort of issue in those years. Shout out to, man, what's that guy? Remember we drove by my man over in Waterford, Pontiac? Gosh, all he does is differentials. Pontiac gear, Waterford differential, Pontiac. Old retired GM guy set up my Camaro 30 years ago. Moroso brute force posi. It's still working. Okay, so I'm going to hang on to this. Okay, now I'm confused. What was I doing this for in the first place? The tone rail. So I have to change this unit. This unit's no good. I'm not pressing that bearing and stuff in. Okay, so this is all done when just over here. I gotta get the what was I saying? I gotta get the thread fixers. I was an idiot at the junkyard and used a rotor to kind of, instead I forgot to bring my stupid hammer. I was using a rotor and I smashed the stupid lugs and messed up the threads a little bit. So let's pull this axle shaft and I'm gonna beat somebody over the head with this. This is junk. Here, you got a rag. Here, take this away. I gotta wreck a nice 50-cent rag. All right, got it done now. Anytime you get gear lube on something, throw it out. That's not like oil and trans cleanup. You throw that rag out. Get it out of here. Get it out all the way. I want that out.
Get it outside.
I don't like the smell of that stuff. Okay, so this one, like I thought. So this shaft didn't fall out of here, which I don't think is a problem. WD, you want to keep this clean? Give me a couple clean rags, a couple clean paper towels, or you try to blow this, or this is not dirty. My seal's good though. I did not wreck. It doesn't wreck the seal. Pull this out, but it's kind of pressed in there. I hope I can get my fluid sensor in this hole. WD. Couple paper towels.
go.
You got a little brush, almost like a toothbrush. WD. Damn it, you have a good can of WD. Every single can busted. I love how people just think those are free. It's not $8 a thing. You got 22 cans busted. WD.
Whoop.
Try it. And like a light toothbrush. Yeah. Now, technically, that gear lube or WD-40 stuff will kind of break down the gear lube, which we don't want, but I'd rather have at least the chunks. I'm just trying to wash the rust and dirt and chunks out of here. I tried to keep it clean from the junkyard. Should keep that seal clean. I think that's good. I don't know if I want to blow stuff all over the place. You just don't want rust chunks, cut the seal somewhere. I think we're good. And I think enough gear lube is at that bearing already where I don't have to pack it or soak it. Feels really good. Don't need any gear lube on this actual shaft right now. So grab. This is way easier than I thought. I don't know why I was scared. Don't be scared. I was scared, man. Last night I was like, oh man, it's a 4-hour job. I thought you'd have to wreck the seal.
10 minutes out there.
I thought when you pull this out, you wreck the seal, and then you got to cut the bearing. And oh my goodness! But this is awesome.
You're out there maybe 10 minutes.
That was easy.
Once you figure it out, that was maybe 10 minutes of that.
Rubbery hook.
Damn it, right there. That's what we've been looking for.
Oh, well,
good one, too.
I don't really like that one. I want a handle pry bar.
That's the only one I'm actually finding.
I know. Where's the rest of them? Where's my red one? Where's the black-handed ones? Where's the smaller yellow ones? I bought 4 sets of those. More paper towels. It's a nasty job.
More paper towels coming.
Cap man too.
Towel.
Okay. All right. Oh, damn that. Ah. I guess I'll bust these parking brakes off, or I'll just leave them on. Okay, now this is going up or down or what? This way. Okay, this is what? It's gonna be over here. So okay. Now I don't know if I'm gonna be able to line this shaft up in here. That's a problem. I'd have to take the cover off. Maybe I gotta take the cover off. I don't know. Oh man. I don't know how to do this. Oh! Okay. Okay. Get it off! Yes, it's in. Alright, that's awesome. I can't believe this. If this goes as smooth as I think, I fix all these lights, that's worth $500. Nobody else is so scared. Nobody else is so scared, they'd probably pay $800 to fix the stupid lights. What do we got? 50 bucks into this? 2 hours, if that? Okay. Now, now this isn't going flush. Let's see here. Okay. It's not flush yet. No. I think the nuts will squeeze it right in, but I don't think I'm going to hurt anything. Let me try to push this for more. Okay. Come on. Get in there. If you don't fit, you know what you do? You bigger hammer. That's not good. I don't understand why it's not pulling. Let's go with these nuts. I gotta think that's gonna pull it right in. I don't think I can hurt anything. I know I'm in the splines for sure. I know I'm in the splines in the right spot inside. It wouldn't go in this far. And I think it's just gotta be squeezed in because it's gonna be a tight fit in there, I hope. Oh, you got my shorter 18. I think I can get by with what I got. Unless you gotta, I'm alright. Close. Okay. I don't like sniffing this stuff. I don't like sniffing gear lube or brake clean. Go outside. Okay. What was I doing? Small power. Now I'm gonna try to squeeze this on a little at a time each bolt.
Oh, Russian jerky still coming off.
Oh yeah, I pulled it right in. Okay. That's good. It's a nice tight fit inside that differential. You got my ratcheting 19 or 18? I got it. I got it. Maybe, unless you got shorter 18.
15's the largest ratcheting.
19, well.
17 self-ratcheting.
I got it. Torque spec is pull on it. This right here is a torque wrench within 3-4 psi. I said,
Oh yeah, every time it seems
PSI.
like
I'll click it. I'll click, and I'm within about 3-4 foot-pounds.
at the most. At the most.
I can read a tire pressure within 3-4 psi. Torque wrench within 5. No, I don't want to break this tool. I shouldn't be using this. So I need a wrench. It's not a critical spec. This is just tight. Just got hold of it.
Bill, you want to get a drink from the store?
Yeah, I got waters over. You know, I've had 2 pops in the last 2 months, man. Like 2 pops. That's it.
You're saying you're cutting
water,
back on everything.
Water with lemon. Water with lemon. Trying. I don't think it's helping. I don't think it's helping me lose weight, but whatever. That's not sugar. Here's your torque spec.
I probably took my first shot in like over a month finally. Supposed to be taking it once a week.
What's that?
My insulin
sugar
shot.
stuff?
Insulin shot.
I'm telling you, you look up Dr. Berg, YouTube. The guy's got 2,000 videos out there. He's got like 22 million subscribers, 9 million subscribers, or something stupid. The dude's a little over the edge. Like, my gosh, he's detailed, but he's like, I sold me in 20 minutes. 20-minute video. I said, that's it. I ain't need no more sugar. That's it. He's like, activity's number 1. You got to stay active.
Yeah.
That cures counteracts all sins, most sins. But then vegetable oil, anything fried, French fries, vegetable oil stuff will kill you in 30 minutes. And then sugar, it'll kill you in 30 minutes.
The things you crave the most now.
He's like, that's why everyone's fat. It's because we're eating too much sugar.
Yeah.
I believe him.
I do too, to be honest.
That's where am I hitting? Oh.
You put salt and sugar just about everything.
Yeah.
And that's the stuff you crave, is that deep fried stuff and that sugary stuff.
I went hard keto for a month, and he's dead on. You eat carbohydrates, you eat sugar, you're hungry 2 hours later. You eat the cookies and stuff, oh, it's good. You're hungry 2 hours later, and no one can, 99% of people can't resist going back.
Whole bag of
Makes
chips,
it,
it's not just
you
a
eat
bowl.
meat, chicken, hamburger, steak,
Which is all okay in moderation.
Yep, cheese, nuts, high fat, go ahead, eat the high fat stuff. He's right. You eat the stuff, you're not hungry. You're not hungry. You eat from 12 to 5 during the day. I was going the whole day. I couldn't believe it. I was going the whole thing till noon the next day. Not hungry. Now I went about 30 days, and then I said, this guy can kiss my ass. I want my bread and milk back. So
The last time you called and I couldn't come in, I taken 2 shots of booze and 2 of my Flexerals. I had to get some sleep. My sleeping patterns have been changing, and I hadn't been sleeping. So I was going to knock myself out. Just I took the dang pills you called. It's like, oh, I ain't gonna risk it. I'm not gonna risk it.
I just need a tool carrier.
It got better, then it's right back to where it was. I get an hour here, an hour there.
I cannot believe how easy that was. Now, give me a junk lug nut. I got to run down and off of here to hopefully clean up these threads. I don't want to wreck my nice new ones. Do we leave this junk in here? No, I'm going to take this off. Get this off. I hate rear brakes. I hate rear brakes. I haven't done them in so long. I don't remember how. Safety glasses.
that'll fit.
Sure, it's a 12 by 1.5. Should be. Damn, I can't believe it's not labeled. No, this is half.
All right.
But be careful. You gotta throw this out because no one's ever gonna use that.
What size you want?
You should only keep 12 by 1.5. It's most everything. Oh no! Oh no! No! That's what the last guy did. I busted the tone ring. I better not have bent this. I'll kick myself in the butt if I just bent this tone ring. This is what the last guy did. Took a sledgehammer, tried beating the brakes off, and bent the darn tone ring, and made the transmission not shift. Doggone it! I better not have busted this. Even though this job was that easy, I don't want to do it again. That's what the last guy did. That's exactly what happened last time. Woo! I hit it lightly. He just went bash to bash that stuff. I know exactly what happened last time. Oh, I hope I didn't bend that.
All right,
It's just the spring. It's just the spring, so I don't think I busted
I got
it.
a mix here, Bill.
Go find me a 12 by 1.5. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. I must mess this whole job up. It's not really a lot of time or money, but it'll be another day. It'll be another day. I think I'm okay. That's why we keep the camera rolling. Show the mistakes so you don't have to. Darn it, give me an angle grinder. The blade, I think it's already set up, isn't it? No, I took the blade out. Angle grinder!
Oh, it's in the back here. Hold on.
It's in there. Oh, yeah. Safety glasses, safety glasses. That's exactly what happened last time. I almost did the same
You
thing.
want on it, Bill?
Trust me. Angle grinder, darn it. What are you doing? Oh, man. Okay. Get this off here. Get this off here. You're blocking my camera.
Oh, sorry, Bill. Let me get my foot out of the way there.
All right.
See if you get that cap off that battery, Bill, please.
Yeah, where's the... Okay. All right. You find my junk glove nut? I gotta run a junk glove nut. I wish I had that. You don't give me my tap and dice.
Check it to make sure, Bill.
Oh, man, give me a cutting thing. Damn it. And, I need my,
Flat one?
I need my, I gotta look up which way is to go. This way or this way? This has got the metal support to it. I did it wrong for so long. Here's a wide support here. I don't think it matters. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put it this way. And I got a flat surface here. Put this
For a 12 point.
I gotta look that up again. Okay, tip of the week. DeWalt 60 volt angle grinder or sawzall worth every penny. They're expensive, 350 bucks or so. This is like 250 bucks. It's nuts. 600 bucks for this. It's worth it. This thing's so awesome. Safety glasses. I don't like that dust.
Well, 12.1.5.
That's it.
It's the only one I could find, too. Putting in your...
People ask me why I don't wear safety glasses. Okay. Jump, 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 jump. You should always remove the parking brake from any of your old cars. It's just rusty. You're never going to use it. And you prevent the next guy from being stupid and using it in an accident. Please don't use that up. What do we got? Hold this. Get out of there. Jump, 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 jump. All right. I don't think I heard it. Okay. You saw a picture of the old one, right? You saw a picture of the old. All right. I'm gonna clean all that grease off of there, but I just brushed it with a spring there. Woo! One more hit with a hammer would have bent it up and I would have ruined the whole job. You're lucky, caught it just in time. You know what? I get it right every time by the third time through. Okay, what am I doing? Got a little brush. I got cleaning calipers. I should have had you start and stop in this video so I don't have to do so much editing. I probably missed something.
I got 2 of them.
There goes $3. Okay, hopefully get the CBS in here. You got my lug nut?
There's one in the pan right next to you, Bill, in the corner. And I got one right here in my hand. There's one in the pan. Here in the corner.
Sure, it's 12 by 1.5. Make sure, because I forget. The idiot that put those lug nuts on that Ford, that black Ford, killed the whole lug. He wasn't watching. Yeah, okay. Long enough? What the hell? You give me the right one?
I hope so.
Google this. Is this 14? Looks like a good nut. I don't think it's right. Oh, I bet you Jeep's half by 20. I bet you Google it. I bet you Jeep's half by 20.
Here in there, then.
Here, look at the nut that's on here, duh. I told you to give me half. Give me the one you gave me the first time. Look at this. Jeep is the only one out there that's half by 20. Ooh, you gotta be really careful. You try to ram.
12 by 1.5.
No, give me that half by 20 you gave me the first time. Ooh. Ah, leave. I should be standing up.
Oh, the ones I gave you the first time. God.
Papers out of here. I'm gonna stand up. My knees don't lock up. Ah, I should be doing burpees.
Check one of them, Bill.
Oh, man, I should have been standing up every 5 minutes. Darn it, I wasn't thinking. Half. Yeah. Oop. Okay.
Got some on your gloves. There you go.
Is this long enough? Muffs. Okay. Told you to bring a heavy hammer. Said I had to use a rotor. That's pretty good. Straighten it out a little bit. Throw this lug nut. Throw that lug nut right out. That's one correct. A little bit. Oh, my knees.
You want this to go?
Oh, I should have been standing up more often. Okay, where was I? You got my roto wire wheel to clean this up. Drill with a small wire wheel. I need to buy that fancy tool that does it. Feels good when it turns.
No. No.
Yeah, you got the straight one.
Okay, let me see if I find better.
Safety glasses.
There you go. Another one of those in there a little longer.
Sounds good. Okay. Ah, got a little better brush. A little longer, a little better brush.
Here.
Nah.
Stiff bristles.
Okay, that's good. What am I doing? Panic rush. Can't believe how easy this is going. Got a broad brush. Yeah. I guess it's alright. Okay, clean up these little stainless slides. Gotta change them. Okay, got my brake. What did I say? I gotta squeeze this caliper in a little bit. Might as well make it a little easier. Put go on. Where's my tool? Oh man. Okay, caliper. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. Make sure that make sure the caliper hose isn't kinked or going twisted the wrong way. Try to get this centered. Get my little tool centered.
Something new?
Yeah, you guys had this buried in the Craftsman thing. I just found it yesterday. Better than a C-clamp, I think. You gotta find a place to put this up on the board. I was throwing it in the bin, but oh, my wrist has arthritis.
Carpal tunnel.
Fibromyalgia. Oh. Oh. I like that tool. Bought that thing 40 years ago. 50 less 16. What's that? However much that is. 35 years ago.
Work better
35 years ago. Yeah. Go straight in there. C-clamp. Okay. Let's go. Don't forget. Got brake pads. I think they're all right. They got nice thickness to them.
Look like it from here.
A little scratched up because I don't think that hurts them. I really pried hard, sliding them off instead of gently. I don't think that's going to be a problem. They'll smooth themselves right back out. Okay. Try to make sure I put this in the right way. Your finger, okay? Just like this. Okay. Oh yeah, and then rotor. Okay. I should be standing up every 5 minutes. I'm not doing this right. Hurting myself. I'll be locked up. Okay, got a clean tone ring. That's just gonna be so awesome. If I fix this, that's just gonna be a monster fix for cheap. Now, I'm gonna do wrong with my brake pads.
That sensor fixed it then when we did that, huh?
Well, the ABS sensor made the trans shift, but yet this still had an erratic speed signal on this side. Now, I don't know if the sensor fixed it or if I straightened out the tone ring on that side enough that it at least got the got the output speed of the trans shaft off of. All right, work this camera. Okay, speed sensor just shoves in. And we had a lot of time. I had to try to polish out this hole for a half hour last time. Now this is the whole new assembly, right? It's a complete new assembly.
See back there, Bill, but
you didn't find my polish out tool, did you? So now here we are again. We're going to take half an hour to shove this. Okay. Okay, this one's amazing. Boom, shoved right in. If you don't, hey, I had to polish this out with a piece of sandpaper with my finger for about 10-15 minutes to I told you not to lose that small bolt. I told you small 10mm head bolt. Set it right over here. And you're supposed to put them all in the magnetic dish. Okay, showing us the thing. It's just a bolt, easy bolt to hold it in.
I can't tell if I see it. Yeah.
You got it?
Looks like it.
That's easy. You show out here. Wait, where's it supposed to go?
Try to get it so they can see the sensor.
Yeah. They can't figure out how to put this bolt in. They should put the tools down and back away. Where's my 10mm wrench? You on top of it?
Right here, Bill. I think. No, that's
Looks like a 13. Open it. Dad, can you get that light on a short shot here? I guess I got this light. Shoot. Dang it, how do I get this stupid thing? I gotta line it up. Oh, come on. Oh no.
Looks like it came through.
Yeah, it came through. I gotta line up the darn bolt.
Oh. Your sensor.
Oh, my knees. Tip of the week, Bauer, 20 volt lithium. I got the I got the 1.5 amp hour, the 3 amp hour, and the 5
It's like a
amp hour.
headlight on a car.
2,000 lumens. So we like it. It's a $100 flashlight though. It's like 50 for the flashlight.
Just don't look directly into the light.
No, it'll kill you in 30 seconds. What was I doing?
Tightening the bolt.
I got no gloves. You showing the bolt back here? Show them back there. So you're covering up the camera, you dummy.
Nope,
you
they can
see it?
see it. I'm looking on the screen.
Okay. Now, I'm having a hard time lining this up.
Get it in the right spot. Just hold
Okay.
it still.
Got it. That's easy. I think I better be able to figure that one out. I'll just use my open ends. Don't want to take the 5 seconds to grab a socket.
All right, they got a hold of it.
I'm going to torque that to 15 foot-pounds. I probably did about 35 right there. Okay, this wire, make sure this is routed correctly. You don't want this getting tangled up in something. So I think I let it hang last time. I got to double check it. Okay, my red lock tab's still there. Get it in. Lock tab. Okay, now I know this
Oh, we got a
clips.
good shot of that.
This clips here. Now, last time I didn't shove this in right. So this is, I gotta see where these. I'll crawl underneath the cart. I'll see where this pushes in here. I need to do that, or at least zip tie it up. Otherwise, it's gonna be bam, bam, bam against the suspension trailing arm. So that's not good. All right, what happened? This thing fell down. Did it? Why am I fatigued, man? My hands are fatigued.
It's the beginning of the season. Any sun, even if it's not hot, it's taking its toll. It's taking it out of you. I noticed it the other day too.
It's 50 degrees out. It feels like 60. Because we're used to 30. Okay, now this doesn't look right. Okay. Okay, we gotta. What was I doing? Just for a second. Check.
Making sure that sensor's on there right and putting the brakes back on.
I want to put one lug nut. I'll just hold this. Hold that straight. You know, let that dangle. Okay, I'm gonna set these little grooves right here. These little grooves are gonna go in here. Okay. Okay, I tucked it in. A little more trouble than I should have. Last time, this is the easy part, man. This is the easy part. Make sure your caliper bolts are shoved back.
Looking it down so I'm not
the key.
blinding you.
Okay, there we go. Now my caliper bolts are missing. No. Okay. It's the easy part. Okay. Now, there. Get those lined up. I think I'm doing all right. Scratch the pads a little bit. Okay, these are lined up. What's going on back here? Gently. And that stainless shaft, a stainless ridge clips, those are lined up. Okay. Gotta go with no gloves. And the grease part of the caliper things, I wiggled them, they were free. These you don't really grease. These are kind of a different design in this caliper. I like it. You don't really have to worry about greasing these. They stay greased, I think. I'm gonna start these by hand. I don't wanna mess this across right now. These are a little tricky to get lined up, but you can't really see. Fix this rubber boot and get this where I'm going. You showing over here?
Best I can.
So I'm wiggling. I'm just doing it by feel. I'm wiggling these bolts and I'm getting those started by hand. As long as you get it 2-3 threads like this, I can go crazy. Hey, what'd you do? 13 ratcheting wrench. There's a socket. That one. Just make sure these are all lined up. Okay, now, torque spec on these are there, 35. And, I'm gonna say 35. But what do we do, Brian? What happens when we're going down the road in the Chevy pickup truck and we let the guys do it? And the caliper rolls flat. So, boom. We go. Just a light tap. Like that. So you don't have to stop at this tire and ride the jack and switch the bolts from top to bottom so you can drive home. Been there, done that. Okay, now these are real loose. So you got to remember, don't just try to drive out your car out of the garage. Here's the hardest part of this job is remembering that you got to bump your brakes up. Because I squeezed it back in a little bit. Pedal's going to go to the floor. You got to pump till this gets tight, and then you'll have a brake pedal. You don't have to bleed because we never disconnected the hose. Okay, now I need to crawl underneath here. Keep that on. I forgot this in the last couple times I did this. I like all this junk here.
Sure, yeah, about to say, get that hose out.
Yeah, hardboard. Right leg. Ow, my knees. Jeez. Oh, that's the stupid. Do not get underneath the car now. I'm working like, I got the jack stand there. Okay. Yeah. All right, I'm all right.
You're safe.
That's why I use a jack stand, because you're going to get busy, you're going to stop work, you got to stop thinking, don't get into the car without a jack stand. If I work out here, I'll just use a jack, but always at least set a jack stand there. Why is this missing a clip here? Look at that. I could run a screw, bam, right there. I need a plastic scissors. Okay, there's a little.
I can't get up in there.
No,
No.
it's all right.
Just making sure the sensor wire is out of the way.
You got 2 pins. It's very easy. You'll see it's right there. You can't miss it. There's 2 holes to shove that back into. I didn't do that last time. I could have beat myself apart after a year or 2. All right, flip everything over. Spin. I can't believe it how easy that was. Big fix. Big fix. All right. Am I forgetting anything? It's too easy. The job went too smooth, too easy. Something's got to go wrong here. It messes up. Wow. This is from making the call, loading up the tools. What time is it? You see there? We're 2 hours, 3 hours? Yeah, 3 hours total. Junkyard running back. $500 fix.
This thing says 1 hour, 3 minutes you've been filming.
Yeah, shoot.
That's probably just since we've been back doing
Way
this.
easier than I thought. All right. My technique for putting a wheel on is I just look at one stud. You don't have to line up 5. Look at that top stud. Just line one hole up for one stud, and you set on that, and you turn the wheel and find the rest of it. This is an easy fix here. You gotta get a plastic peg in there.
Bill, you want these newer ones?
No, these are brand new.
All right, same as those.
I can't believe how easy. I can't believe how smooth this went. I gotta stop being scared. Just do it. This is my good one. Got through the bad one away, right?
I think so.
I'll go around the rim like this. Make sure it's on there. Oh, I don't like that. I'll spit that just a little bit. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, look at this garbage you give me. Look at this. Look at this. Where's the other one?
I got it.
I'll be mixing my stuff up, man. I got it. Oh. Is that match? It's not matching. Look at it. Look at it. Where did this come from? I don't like that. Was this off the... It looks like a caliper bracket bolt. Was that just left over from the last job? I need to put that in the Chevy. That's the missing caliper bolt. That's why I put it there, to remind me to put it on the Chevy. This is missing. But where's my... Damn it. Where's my matching one?
14.
Oh, give me these. Give me a matching one. Here we go. Ah. Ah, my knees. Okay. Yeah, you can go a star pattern, but as long as you got the weight off the ground, okay? I'll hit the wheel, just make sure it's seated good. And I just went light, low 5 to get them close. I got a 12 point. I got chrome and brand new sockets. I'm gonna go for it because I don't feel like finding my torque wrench. And but I'll use this since I'm so familiar with the feel for this. I'll still go around. Ooh, star pattern. I'll hit it. I'll watch the socket and I'll feel this. I'm so familiar with that. Okay. I wasn't setting on this. I was about a 1/4 inch away from the frame. I cheated a little bit, but
Could have went anywhere to caught it.
don't do that. If you're a beginner at this, make sure the jack stands on there good.
Safety first.
Safety glasses? What? Hearing protection, yes.
How about
I don't understand how this job went that easy and smooth. I gotta be missing something. I'm gonna pump up the brakes, I'm gonna clear the code, and
I don't know. You got your Lucky Brian with you, so it is possible everything went right.
that's why I'm really surprised to get screwed up. I was gonna get the emissions thing too. Let's do that. Here. Video. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm gonna clear this code and I'm gonna run my speed up. Show these legs over here.
Oh, coming over. There you go, Bill.
Wow, I can't believe this. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go with our fancy doosey. Our scanner up. OBD2 onboard diagnostics 2. What is that? 1996 and above. Okay, read. I got the key on. Got all the lights, and if I turned it on, it would be still got the ABS, ESP, electronic stability program, and brake assist program, and traction control. Check engine light, I think, is for the emissions. Yeah. I'll be real careful. I'm taking a risk here. I got it just on a jack on the differential right now, but I do this all the time. I'm a paid professional. Okay, 457 is an emissions code. I'm gonna go ABS. It's gonna say C1044. Which was mistaken on the last video. I kept saying that C1044 was brake switch code. No, it was tone ring. Right rear speed signal malfunction. So, but it all worked out. My brake switch is brand new and perfect now. I'm going to clear this 1044 right rear speed signal erase, sent. But I've got to turn this off. No, don't touch nothing. And put the key in the on position since it's a Chrysler product. Got to have the engine off. 0 DTCs on the ABS. I believe I cleared it. Okay, now I'm going to start. I'm going to go to neutral. Don't do what I'm doing right now. Only I can do this. Okay, I'm on.